Hello everyone, I'm TGA24. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a hamburger. Hamburger ingredient: pan, cucumber, sesame, lettuce, cheese, meat, onion, lettuce, sesame, ketchup, pan. So let's see how to make a hamburger. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, we are TGA27, TGA39, TGA41 and TGA43. Today we are going to tell you how to make hamburger and sandwich. Making hamburger. Ingredients are egg, salt, black pepper, ground beef, tomato, onion, lettuce, bread, cucumber, sesame and cheese. First we will add salt, black pepper and ground beef. Then the bread and meat are created. After that, this with slice the cucumber, onion, and tomato. Finally, cheese, tomato, lettuce, cucumber, and tomato. Sugar to the hamburger. Call it fried hamburger. Thank you. Now we will tell you how to make a sandwich. Making sandwich. Ingredients are butter, rabbit, sand, sugar, black pepper.
Boil the egg for 10 minutes. Spread the egg white and egg yolk. Add milk. A pinch of sugar, black pepper mixed together. Cut the egg white into small pieces. Add in the egg flake on and let it rest for 5 minutes. Have a delicious sandwich. Thank you for listening.